up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sydney Jolie. What's good? What's popping? So in today's video, my loves, we will be getting into couponing, okay? And I really do apologize, y'all. I literally filmed, edited, and dropped 2 videos before I even filmed this video. And I kept saying like, oh, I'm gonna film this video, I'm gonna, put y'all on, tell y'all the tea about couponing, like, girl, you lied, and it's terrible. So I'm so sorry for that, you guys, but here I am today, and I'm ready to get into it, period, okay? So I did write a few notes just to kind of touch on a few different things. This video is not going to be, all the tea and all the information, but I am going to give you guys a good foundation and a base, somewhere that you'll be able to get started with couponing if you want to get into couponing, just a few tips and things that I've learned so far along my journey. I have decided that I want to either do a group chat or some type of couponing courses that I, create myself. As you guys may or may not know, I create digital products. I have a skincare book that I sell, but that's completely off topic. I'm just saying I do create and sell digital products, courses, etc., and so forth. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I just wrote, a few things about how I got started, how you guys can get started, and just a few things to help you guys out. Okay, so number 1, how to get started. All right, how I got started. I got a job at Walgreens, unfortunately, because I hate 9 to 5s, whatever. We're not. I literally went 2 years without a 9 to 5, and then I had to get a 9 to 5. So we're just not even gonna, anyway, fast forward, I started a new job. I work at Walgreens, and it really came from, I'm the type of person, you guys, in general, I'm like a sponge. Like, I like to research, and I just like to know things that I need to know, or I feel I need to know. So I would basically watch the couponers that came in and be like, oh, hold up, how does she do that? How is she getting all that? How is she doing this with all these coupons and da-da-da? Okay, so I just wanted to know. So, day by day, when you're there and you're watching it, you start to pick up on things and you start to realize, like, this is something I should know how to do. Mind you, my best friend from high school, her mom used to coupon, and back then I really wanted to know how to do it because literally her basement was stacked, period. Like, it wasn't nothing that she needed that she did not have in that basement. So it kind of started back then, but I never took the initiative to even learn how to do it or, research or anything, because I'm just like, oh, I'll never get this and da-da-da-da. But extreme couponing is real. It's really not that hard to learn. And yeah, so that's basically how I got started, whatever. And another thing that kind of tied into me wanting to coupon was I love getting things for cheap or low prices or free. Like, I mean, who doesn't love that? A lot of people act like they got it like that, and they like to brag and boast on how much they spend. But me, I like to brag and boast on how much I save. Okay, what? I am very bougie on a budget, and I have no shame in my game, period. I get to save that money, and it can go to maybe 2 of the same thing or other things, or I've always been financially wise, and I like to save my money and do different things with it versus spending it all on one thing, or y'all get what I'm saying, basically. Okay, so yeah, that really is what inspired me to want to start couponing. That's what got me started. That's what helped me really like take the leap and just get into it. So you guys, it's super easy. I prepared like a little list of things that you need to get started ASAP. I don't know why I can't find it right now, but I have like this little blue thing, and it's something that I hold my coupons in, and it's basically like a little flip book type of thing. You can get them from Dollar Tree. I'll insert a picture somewhere so you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. But it's basically just to hold all the coupons, or you can also just get like a pack of envelopes, and you can just put on the envelopes like month by month, or however you want to do it, however works best for you to stay organized. But that's how I help myself stay organized. I just put like January, February, March, etc., on the envelopes and go from there. Something else that may also be helpful is a calendar, just so you can kind of put in there when coupons expire or when certain events are, like beauty events, discount days, you know, all those kinds of things. I also have a little list of apps that you need to have if you're gonna get into couponing. These are just the ones that I've discovered so far and the ones that I use faithfully, like literally faithfully. Walgreens, you're definitely going to need the Walgreens app, because 9 times out of 10, Walgreens is the store that you want to coupon at. Okay, I'll say it again. Walgreens is the store 9 times out of 10 that you're going to want to coupon at. Okay, this app called Fetch Rewards. I will leave my code. I will put my code on the screen, and I will also leave my code in the description box. You guys, Fetch Rewards is an app where you scan all the receipts from different things that you purchased, and you receive or you earn points. Now, once you get $3 in points, you can cash out those points for gift cards. It is real. It works. Real gift cards, okay? Because I be putting it on Instagram and people be thinking that I'm lying or I'm trying to finesse them into, you know, I don't know what they think I'm trying to get them to do, but really I'm trying to put them on. Like, I be trying to put people on and I don't understand. But yes, you get points. Your points equal basically like dollars on the app, and once you get enough dollars/points, you can redeem gift cards. And they have gift cards. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. What I'm actually going to do, you guys, I'm going to screen record. You guys will basically be able to see everything right on the screen as I'm going through and talking about it. So yeah. All right, Fetch Rewards. Like, y'all, I'm so serious when I say all you have to do is scan receipts. And the reason that I'm going to leave you guys my code is because if you sign up using my code, you automatically get $2 in points. Now, remember I said that you can cash out a gift card at $3. I mean, I like to save mine. The first one I ever got, I did use because I was like, let me use this little $3 and see if it worked, because y'all know how it be. They be scamming and scheming, and you really be thinking like, nah, this is not even about to work. I'm wasting my time, blah, blah, blah. So once I got to $3, I cashed it out for an Amazon gift card. So basically right now I'm just looking at all the referrals that I've received, or that the people that have signed up under my code. And basically for every person that signs up, and they must scan their receipt. That's another thing. They can sign up using your code, but if they don't scan a receipt, then you don't get the points or whatever. However, the person also gets the 2,000 points. So you get what I'm saying? It's definitely beneficial for both parties. They have so many different things on this app. Like, they have a list of things that you can buy to get a certain amount of points. Like right now you get 6,000 points if you buy a 36 pack of Scott. And it's all kind of things, you guys. Like 350 points if you buy Oscar Mayer lunch meat. 300 points if you buy a Smart One frozen entree. Like, they have so many different things on here. So my best advice for you guys is to just go ahead and check it out. Like, y'all know I be doing reviews. I be trying to put y'all onto things, and I'm never gonna lie or steer you wrong. That's not me. I'm too real for that, okay, baby? If I tell you something, just know I'm trying to put you on. I'm trying to put you on free game, okay? And it's not in your worst interest, but your best, okay? So you should listen to me. We're just gonna go ahead and say that, because yeah, that's all it is. And when I tell y'all, like, I will insert everything here, show you guys some of my transactions. I have been eating off of couponing, like gift cards and money, and just listen, like, I've been really going ham. And I feel like it's so easy to achieve it for you guys as well. Like, all you have to do is be willing to find out how to do it. That's it. And of course do it, because, you know, some people, they know how to do things, but they're still not doing it. So it's like, yeah. But anyway, y'all get what I'm saying. Like, you really have to just take the time, and it will be beneficial. It will pay off. It's just a whole bunch of stuff on here. And they have everything, you guys. Like, just to name a few, here's a few different places that you can get gift cards. Amazon.com. I mean, hello. Everybody shops on Amazon.com or through the Amazon app. Amazon is literally like winning, okay? Adidas, AMC Theater. So that means you can literally buy a gift card for, well, I don't know if everybody has this in their state, but we have it where we have $5 movies on Tuesdays where I live. I could literally cash out a $5 gift card and go to the movies for free. Like, come on. What? iTunes, Applebee's, BJ's, Burger King. Like, they got all kind of food places. Dunkin' Donuts, GameStop, like Home Goods, IHOP, JCPenney, Marshalls. Like, y'all, the list goes on and on and on. I feel like I've been rambling about this app because this is how good the app is. Like, yeah, but Fetch Rewards is definitely an app that you're going to want to go ahead and download and use, okay? And all you have to do to get these gift cards is literally scan receipts. Like I said, I will leave my code for you guys because once you sign up using my code, you do get $2 to start off with. You can cash out your first gift card at 3, okay? And I also include a little clip showing you guys that it does actually work. All right, so some other pretty good apps that I don't really use, I heard are really good. And just because of the simple fact that I already kind of have a system going with the apps and the things that I do use, I don't necessarily use these. But Ibotta, I heard it's a good cashback app. So it's probably something like Fetch Rewards. Dash, I heard is really good. I think that's like a cashback type of app too. And a few helpful websites that I have listed for you guys are coupons.com and Smart Source. And 9 times out of 10, you can find coupons for brands that you like directly on their website. Like, say for instance, Tampax. You can just go on the Tampax website and you'll find different coupons and things on there as well. So what else do I have to tell y'all? Oh yeah, where to get coupons. Like I said, websites of different brands that you want coupons for. The Walgreens app, you can get a lot of different websites. You can also just Google like coupons. I mean, some will pop up or it'll direct you to somewhere that will actually be real official coupons. I have this really good website. I'm not going to tell you guys the direct source that I get my coupons from because like I said, I am in the process of doing a course / ebook type of thing when it comes to couponing. I'm just one of those kinds of people, you know. I'm an infopreneur, literally. And that's an entrepreneur who takes information and puts it into digital products or informational products. So yeah, I mean, this is me dropping free game for y'all. So just appreciate that because I love you guys. I love my warrior gang so much, but I am also smart, okay? So yeah, the Sunday paper, I've heard that Dollar Tree has like couponing inserts on Sundays or something like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but you guys will have to check that out for yourselves. And the internet, which we use every single day. We're on our phones all the time. So if you want to save some money, then go ahead and put that energy into finding yourself some coupons, okay? Let's see, what else do I have to tell y'all? Trying to make sure I don't forget anything. Well, you know what? I guess this is enough for part 1. If you guys want me to do a part 2, then just drop some questions below in the comments that you guys want to know. I will try to the best of my ability to answer any questions that you may have. And like I said, for more in-depth couponing information, I'm going to go ahead and get started on some type of informational products for you guys, and it's not going to be expensive. Nothing I ever sell or have or do will be expensive because I'm one of those kinds of people. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on things. Like, I don't. So I take that into consideration when it comes to you guys, of course, because you guys are my supporters. You guys are my warrior gang. But yeah, so it's not going to be expensive. I will keep you guys posted on everything. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I could just tell you guys real quick? I don't know. I actually have some coupons. I have some coupons right now that I have to go through and cut and, you know, all of that. I will also be including my first couponing experience. I have like a video clip of it, so I will put that right after I finish rambling.
buy one get one free. Then we have this. It's only gonna be like $1. Then we have this, and we have a coupon for that. These are also buy one get one free. Mom, where's the coupons? Let me see. Buy one get one free for these. And then we have this cereal, which is on sale for $1.99. We also have the save 50% off the Glades. We have 3 of those. Combined with a buy one get one free for Glade. We have a couple of those, but we're only gonna get 3 Glade products today. Then we're gonna use this for the cereal. It may or may not work, but I'm trying my luck. I'm trying my luck today. And then we have this one for the Listerine. The Purex are just on sale naturally, so let's see how we do. Alright, so we did happen to get the Purex buy one get one free. One was $5.52, the other one was $0. The contouring brush that I showed you guys was 97 cents. The Honey Bunches of Oats turned out to be $1.69. The Listerine, we were able to get the $1 off, which is right there. So the Listerine was $5.77 minus $1, $4.77. And then this was the cereal coupon. Total came to $11.95. Used $10 in rewards points, which brought our total to $195. So this is our total savings today. It's pretty good for our first go round. Pretty good.
Yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. Like, I really don't have anything else to say, or that I think I have to say. And watch, as soon as I'm done filming, I'm gonna be like, oh darn, I should have told them that. But like I said, I will be doing a part 2 if you guys would like me to. I just need you to spam the comments with different questions or anything that you would like to know about what I be doing, because I know y'all be seeing me on Instagram do different things, you know, making money off of couponing and all of that and all of that. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, I will try to answer them to the best of my ability in part 2. This was basically just, you know, a basics type of couponing video, because I told you guys I was gonna do it and I've been slacking and slipping and lacking, okay? So I wanted to get it out for you guys, and that is pretty much it, y'all. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really genuinely appreciate all the love and support. I will catch you guys in the next video. Sid Jolie.